And the toolkit controversy has escalated once again, days after BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra alleged a Congress toolkit to defame Prime Minister Modi. Twitter has flagged the BJP leader's tweet as manipulative. The Congress has been reiterating that the BJP's charges are fake and has also filed an FIR against the BJP leaders. Take a look at this report coming in.
Big embarrassment for the BJP. Just days after its spokesperson Sambit Patra tweeted a document claiming it's a toolkit prepared by the Congress to defame Prime Minister Modi, Twitter has flagged it as manipulated media. The microblogging site's move comes after a series of FIRs against the BJP leaders by his rivals. The Congress also complained to Twitter against what it called a fake campaign by the BJP.
सरकार से उम्मीद थी कि लोगों के आंसू पोंछें, कुछ राहत पहुंचाएं, लेकिन सरकार और सत्ताधारी पार्टी एक काम में मशगूल रही, व्यस्त रही। कैसे विपक्षी दल को बदनाम करना है, नकली कागज बनाने हैं, लेटरहेड चुराने हैं, फोर्ज करना है।
On May 18th, BJP leader Sambit Patra had held an explosive press meet as well, brandishing what he alleged was proof of a big conspiracy by the Congress to malign the image of Prime Minister Modi using the coronavirus pandemic.
टूलकिट के माध्यम से एडवाइस दिया जा रहा है कार्यकर्ताओं को कि क्या करना है, खास करके सोशल मीडिया के कार्यकर्ताओं को कि सोशल मीडिया में क्या डालना है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदीज इमेज को लेकर एक कॉलम बना है और उसमें क्या लिखा है? The approval ratings of the Prime Minister Modi has been high and have not dipped despite crisis and mismanagement. This is an opportunity to destroy his image and erode his popularity.
The BJP's charges triggered a huge political fight. The Congress ended up filing FIRs against the BJP leader. Meanwhile, Twitter has said it follows an impartial procedure to flag misleading tweets. This is how it works. It is not automated. The social media website uses its own technology to filter content what it thinks as manipulative and also uses third-party expertise. The action is taken based on the level of violation. Meanwhile, sources have told India Today that the centre has objected to Twitter using manipulative media tag for Sambit Patra's tweets as the matter is under investigation.
Political parties in India have been often caught on the wrong side by this net policing. This incident yet again exposes the vulnerability of the ruling party to fall for misinformation. This is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.